present and time past are both perhaps present in time future. This is pure philosophy. Yet time is shown as a continuing flow. However, often mathematicians and frequently grammarians have tried to divide time into three broad categories. Past time, that is already gone. Present time, that is existing time. And future, that is yet to come. Hope you have already guessed what we are going to talk about today. Well, you're right. We are talking the use of time in Bangla language. Welcome to Basic Bangla. Can you tell me one thing? Which part of speech has always some reference to time? Is it noun? Is it pronoun? No. It's verb. Because verb has something to do with action. And whenever there is an action, it takes place at a point of time. And this issue of time, that is tense, is really very difficult because there are no less than a dozen in English and in Bengali also. So I give you a chart to practice. Things will be a little easier, I hope. So today we are trying to discuss simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense from two different viewpoints. Let's see from the point of view of persons, first person, second person and third person, singular number and plural number. First person, singular number, I do, I did, I shall do. I do means in Bengali, ami kori. The verb is kora. This is perhaps the most frequently used verb, do verb, and in Bengali it is kora verb. So when I say ami kori, it means I do. And I did, ami korlam. And I shall do, ami korbo. See the point. Verb is changing its end. Ami kori, ami korlam, ami korbo. I do, I did, I shall do. In the plural form, verb endings remain same. Ami becomes amra, we. Amra kori, amra korlam, amra korbo. That is, we do, we did, and we shall do. Is it clear? Ami kori, ami korlam, ami korbo. And in plural it becomes amra kori, amra korlam, amra korbo. Come to the second person, you. Tumi. Now, you do. Tumi koro. You did. Tumi korle. You will do. Tumi korbe. Tumi koro. Tumi korle. Tumi korbe. You do. You did. And you will do. In the plural, it becomes tomra koro. You do. Tomra korle, you did. And tomra korbe, you will do. Once again, tumi koro, tumi korle, tumi korbe. You do, you did, you will do in the singular number. And in the plural number, it becomes tomra koro, tomra korle, tomra korbe. You do, you did, you will do. Come to the third person. Singular number, he or she. He or she becomes se. Se kore, he does. He did, it becomes se korlo. And he will do, se korbe. Se kore, se korlo, se korbe. He does, he did, he will do. In the plural, se becomes tara. He becomes they, se becomes tara. Tara kore, they do. Tara korlo, they did. And tara korbe, they will do. So, se kore, se korlo, se korbe. In the plural, tara kore, tara korlo, and tara korbe. Right? So this is not that difficult, but you have to get hold of the pattern, how verb endings are changing with reference to present tense, past tense and future tense. Now take a different verb and try to see the same thing from a different point of view. The verb is khawa, to eat. And we are trying to see the present forms only, the past forms and then future forms. Not in terms of first person, second person and third person. Now, present tense. What happens? Present tense, ami khai, I eat. Tumi khao, you eat. Se khai, he eats. In the plural it remains the same. Amra khai, tomra khao, tara khai. Ami khai, tumi khao, se khai. Amra khai, tomra khao, tara khai. Past tense. Ami khelam, I ate. Tumi khele, you ate. Se khelo, he or she ate. In the plural form, Amra khelam, tomra khele, tara khelo. Khelam, khele, khelo. And in the future tense, Ami khabo, I'll eat. Tumi khabe, you'll eat. And se khabe, he will eat. In the plural, Amra khabo, tomra khabe, tara khabe. So this is how we try to conjugate in simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. A little bit difficult maybe, but once you get used to the pattern, how verbs are changing in accordance with the tense and person, things will be easier. So at your leisure time, take up very common verbs and try to conjugate in terms of these three tenses. And if there is anything wrong, don't worry, you write them in the comment. I'll correct them and reply. Finally, if you like this lesson, click the like button, subscribe and hit the bell. Next time, we'll continue the same topic regarding tenses. We have many more to discuss. So, thank you so much for watching. Abar dekha hobe. Bye-bye.
আমি বাংলায় গান গাই।